Hi, this is first session of learning Gregg Shorthand Anniversary Edition. My name is Ahmed. I'll be your instructor in this course. In today's session, we're going to talk about consonants of Gregg Shorthand. We will talk about different things. Number one, what are different consonants of Gregg Shorthand? Number two, how they are written. Here we will emphasize on the characters that how a particular consonant is written. Number three, we'll talk about direction in which different characters are written. Right? So first of all, we'll talk about the characters that are written forward from left to right. So first we have K. Gay. This is K, right? This is gay. Gay. This would be a hard sound, right? This won't be a soft sound as in magic. So this would be a hard sound as in game, get, gone, right? So we call this gay sound, right? This is K character. This is gay. A little bit longer than K. The whole Gregg Shorthand, it differentiates the characters, on the basis of their length, right? This is shorter, this is longer, right? So next we have, this is R, right? R sound as in race, run, right? We have another L, a little bit longer than R. In the same way we have N and M. This is N shorter, and then we have longer. This is M character, right? Again we have T, we have D, a little longer than T. This is T, this is D. Next we have TH or TH. So we have two characters for the same sound, TH sound, right? All of these characters written over here are written from left to right in forward direction only, forward direction. So you have to remember, you have to memorize how these characters, how these sounds are written. So the quickly you learn how to write these characters, the more quickly you will be able to master Gregg Shorthand, right? So again, this is K, this is gay, a little longer than the previous character, K character. So we'll make a group of these characters, right? So that's why I'm writing these next to each other, these characters. R and L, they are just similar to R and L, they are similar to each other just in the case of K and gay. So we'll just emphasize on the length over here, right? N in the case of N and M. N is a little shorter in length than M. Again we have T. So T and D, these are a little bit slant. These are written in slant direction, right? A little bit from the line of writing. So we have TH and TH. Both these characters are TH, so we will use them according to the ease, according to the words that we form later, right? So next we have the characters that are written downwards. So we'll start with P. B is a little longer than P, right? If this is P, this is B. So then we have F and V. If this is F, this is V. We have again a character, this is CH, a little longer than CH. We have J sound, right? J. In the same way we have S. S can be written like this or this. But remember, if we write TH, we start right from here and go like this, upward direction. In the same way, this th is also, we start from below and then we go up. But here you have to remember, we write it downwards, right? We go downwards here and again here. So if we write S, we go downwards. So all of these characters, these go downwards, right? You cannot write B or P in the upward direction. You cannot write these characters in downward direction. So remember this. These are all downward characters. So both of these, this is S sound, right? Now we have another character. This is just shorter than CH. So we call it SH sound, as in short, right? As in shine. We have a dot and we call it H sound, right? So if we see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 characters over here in forward direction, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we have N G and NK. If this is NG, this is NK sound. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, right? So we have 11 over here, we have 9 over here, so we have a total of 20 characters, consonant characters, right? Consonant characters in Gregg Shorthand. So you have to remember this. The more quickly you are able to understand this, the more quickly you are able to grasp this, memorize these characters, the more it will be easy for you. Again, I'll go again by revising all of these characters. This is K, this is K, this is R, L, N, M, T, D, and TH, TH, P, B, F, V, CH, J, S, again S, SH sound, sh sound, right? And H sound. So as in humble. So we have another NK and NG and NK. So here we conclude. So we have completed characters, 20 characters of Gregg Shorthand. So I just want you to make sure that you practice more and more, so that you are able to memorize this in shorter period of time. Next up, we have vowels. I want you to make sure that you practice it on a daily basis. Initially it can be hard, but trust me, with practice of just 1 hour a day will be enough to memorize these in a week's time. So this for today. Let's meet in another session on vowels.